Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial debug channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to put YouTube link on Instagram bio. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Now I'm opening it. Look at this, my Instagram dashboard. Tap on the profile icon and click on edit profile and then select bio. Tap on here and just paste on your YouTube link and select this. Okay, now done. Now successfully add my YouTube link on Instagram bio. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to tutorial debug channel for more video.